open it. We gotta go now. Let's go. Okay, why do I not sound... Wait, I'm amazed now because... What? What? Okay. Did I? Okay, I thought I crushed. What? Oh, I got gold. Nice. No, 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 no. Haha. I broke the game. How do you make it so quickly? What are you doing? You're not adding anything. Oh wait, you're gonna make something somehow because you're hacking. Wow, it's a VR headset. Buddy angry. Okay, why do I not sound like I'm amazed right now? I don't know. Maybe because it's too hot. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's go. Okay. Go. Ah! Please tell me this music is not copyrighted, by the way. If it is, I'm Oh no. Pretty sure I have to stand first. I've done this before. Yeah. But I haven't seen it. It's too hard. That's why I'm gonna record it. I'd be like, oh my god guys, I'm so good at this game. I did it for so long. No, I took my first damage. Ow, I can see it. Okay, I might actually die now. Oh no! Yeah, it's from this spot, but I can't do it. Like, no, actually, it's too hard. I just stay in one side. I just stay there. Ah, this is confusing. Please don't like it. Let's go! Please don't listen to that. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. I think. Oh no! It's being crushed by a speeding wool, but easier. Imagine if I was a laser. It's even worse than a laser. I mean, laser. Oh. Oh. Ah. Boom. I might be making this worse. Oh no. Oh, let's do that. Oh, I knew it. It was gonna be amazing. Where am I going? I said, where am I going? This is just insane. Why am I doing this? button! Button! Rec room button! I needed to do circuits. Barely anything. Come on! Rec room button! Please let me do circuits. So when I press the button, it gives me 1 extra money. Come on. We need the rec room button for. Okay, not too hard though. But what happened last time? Like, where there's like 2 laser pointers in the spinning. That was one of the things. While using it, I'm doing. Please, button! Button? No. Ah! You smashy! Okay. Really? I'm actually gonna die now, and I'm gonna be Please, just have the button. I need the button. Yes, I healed up. Let's go. I'm winning. Button! Yes! You learned from your mistakes, didn't you? Easy. Wait, what is it? What? Oh, button. There you go. Oh, button. It's just a button. Among Us. What am I doing? Just self-destruct. Serious right now, bro? Okay, then if you're gonna fling the self-destruct button, why are you spawning it in? Simple. Just don't do that. What? Well, I think it's gonna get distracted because you're doing 2 things at once now. And you might actually press the button on accident. That is noisy, you baby. Do it. Boom. He smashed it. And he's gonna finish it. Great parkour skills. Why don't I just like stay here? And the button's not there yet. Haha! Easy. We died. How did I do this? Are we back to season 4 be like? He became way too mad that he doesn't even know what he can't even hit the button because he was coded that way. Wait, can't we just press the button though? No. The DJ's 200 gold. I found all those swords and gathered the badges just in time. Yeah, I finally got I found all the bits. Now I just gotta wait till Mount Everest climbing thing. Yay! How fun is that gonna be?